morning, students. How are you? Yes? Not so fine. What is the reason behind it? Yes, you are staying at home, that's why you have been bored. Please, don't forget it. Keep in your mind, we have to remain at home for several days or several months so far, if it continues. Please, we have to study while we are at our home site. And in this regard, today we are going to learn or study transformation regarding affirmative to negative. And we may have the question, what is the appropriate meaning of transformation? Dear students, I have written the definition of transformation. Transformation means to transform, to change the sentences from one step to another without changing their meaning. Especially the structure should be changed, but the sense or meaning will remain unchanged. That is called transformation. But there is also another one, conversion or changing. In this regard, basically the structure as well as the meaning or sense will be changed at the same time. That's why you may have the question, Honorable Sir, what is the variation between transformation and conversion? The answer should be transformation. In transformation, structure should be changed, but the sense will remain unchanged. On the other hand, in conversion, structure as well as the meaning should be changed. Clear? Yes, sir. Come to the point, please. I have written some rules on affirmative to negative, on how to make a negative word. Have a look, please. Rule number 1. I have written only or alone. If only or alone indicates SB or Almighty Creator Allah. And you may have the question, Honorable Sir, what is the elaboration or details form of SB, sir? SB for somebody. If only or alone are both used, have been by is used, is again, if only or alone is used in front of any person or Almighty Allah, in this regard, to make the sentence into negative one, in place of only or alone, we have to write down none but. Then rest of the part of the sentence will remain unchanged. Have a look, please. Only Allah can help us. Only has been used in front of Allah. That's why to make a negative one, we have to write down none but, then rest of the part of the sentence will remain unchanged. The answer should be none but Allah. Please have a look again. In place of only, I have written only none but. Then you may have the question, Honorable Sir, why have you written none but? Yes, none here is negative, but is also another negative one, negative word. It is called disguised negative. It's again, keep in your mind or don't forget it. None has been negative at the same time, but is also another negative word. That is called disguised negative. At the time of solving algebra, sometimes whenever the math teacher or science teacher, we have taught, we have discussed minus into minus equal to plus. So keep in your mind, that is plus for positive or affirmative. To make a positive one or affirmative one, we have to use 2 times negative. In this regard, none, only one negative, but is also another negative. That's why the sense has been clear. That means sense has remained unchanged. Have a look, rule number 2. If only or alone is used in front of something, sometimes honorable teachers write down only STS. That is the short form of something. If only is used in front of anything else, then to make the negative one, we have to write down nothing but thing for thing. That's why that should be nothing plus but. Yes. Humaira, please proceed on. Something, thing, we have got thing. So to make the negative one, we have to use nothing. No plus thing is equal to nothing. And at the same time, but. Why have I written but? Yes, but is also another negative word. What is it called? It is disguised negative. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. So the answer will be I ate only an apple. Only has been used in front of a thing. An apple. That is a thing. So at first you have to do only or alone. Where it has been used, at first you have to guess, you have to understand, you have to realize. Yes, only we have got in front of a thing. So nothing, then as well as but. Rule number 3 if only is used in front of else or number. At the early stage, I have said, at first you have to realize where only has been used. This again, in this regard, only has been used in front of 12. It is a number, but here it is that indicates an age. Rana is only 12, that means Rana is only 12 years old, but I have written only 12. Have a look. Only has been used in front of 12, that is a number. So, to make it negative 1, what should we write down? We have to write down not more than or not less than. Not less than or not more than, both are same correct. Not same, that should be same correct. Same correct. And the answer is and some of the students can write down not less than, both were same correct. Clear? Rule number 4. I have written can slash, that is called slash. But some of the teachers say or oblique. But in neoclassical modern age, we can say slash. Computer language based word. Slash. Okay, I have written can slash must slash have to slash has to slash need to. If we find can, must, have to, has to, need to, in place of them, we have to write down cannot but or cannot have plus verb with ing. Verb with ing. That is called verb with ing, that is called gerund or present participle. And you may have the question, what is the variation between gerund and participle? Please, with a short time. Now I am saying, if verb with ing form word is used as a verb and a noun, that is called gerund. But a verb with ing word that works as a verb and an adjective. In the last class, I told you, dear students, the pronunciation should be adjective. Yes. So, if verb with ing word that works as a verb and an adjective, then that is called present participle. Present participle. So, here's an example. Lily has to go home first one, let's have a look. We have got has to, so we can change the sentence into negative one in two ways. In first one, Lily cannot buy or cannot have. Several dear students, as I have written the example at the edge of the board, that's why a little bit change has been seen. First one, Lily cannot bark. As I have written cannot bark, that's why the other things will remain unchanged. Another system, I have written another example. Lily cannot help. In place of go, it has been going. As I have written or added ing, that's why it has been gerund. Lily cannot help going home. You can make this type of sentence into negative in both two ways. But maximum learners like to use the first one as it is easiest, it is the easiest one. Clear? Rule number 5. Yes. Dear students, rule number 5. Come to the front page. I have written on the whiteboard s/so ... To make into negative one, what should we write down? You may have the question. Mind it that dear student, in place of first s or so, we should write down not less than, not less. And at last we have got another s. So in place of the last s, we have to write down then. Then is spelling THAN. But you can't write down THEN. THEN, that is a time of adverb. So we should not write this type of spelling, THEN. Rather, we have to use THAN. Here is an example I have written. Asif is as wise as Amin. Have a look. We have got s ... At the between the two s, we have got an adjective. But mind you that we have to write down in place of the first s only not less. And in place of the last s, I have written then. So it is the easiest one. If your teacher, if your parents, if your elder brother or sister asks you to make into a negative sentence using s ... then you have to say, dear brother, dear teacher, dear parents, father or mother. In place of the first s, we have to use not less. In place of the last s, we have to use only then. Then the sentence will be automatically into negative one. Dear students, I have written 3 examples on the whiteboard. It is your home task. Make these sentences into negative. only Radha can do it. We must obey our parents. He is as strong as our God. So, at first you have to revise the rules, then solve the problem. And I believe you will remain safe at your home site. Till the Hafiz.